exterior mechanical design of the figure. You can attach this by removing the right forearm. I'm going to attach it now. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this Hot Toys MMS 473-D23 Iron Man Mark 50 from the Avengers Infinity War movie. So this is the packaging. You can see in front the image of Iron Man, Avengers A logo over here. Then here's the Hot Toys, movie masterpiece, and diecast logos. Then written here are Iron Man Mark 50 and the Marvel Avengers Infinity War. On the side of the packaging, you can see Iron Man Mark 50 and the product code with the Infinity Gauntlet background at the center. Then at the back, you can see Iron Man Mark 50, warning and company information, and this holographic sticker as a sign of authenticity. Opening the box is easy. You just need to slide this up. Then you can see the actual box with the Iron Man Mark 50 image in the middle. When you slide this up, it will reveal the white styrofoam with Mark 50 embedded in front. Behind the actual box are the cast and crew responsible for making this figure. So that's it for the packaging. I'm going to line up all the accessories included, and after that we're going to take a closer look at the actual figure. So here are all the accessories included inside the box. Let's start off with the specially designed figure base stand. You can see the base stand in rainbow color with Avengers Infinity War theme with movie logo in the middle. Then over here is Iron Man's nameplate. It comes with this pole and clip that you can use for dynamic flight poses. Then after that, let's go to the 3 pairs of interchangeable hands. First is 1 pair of hands with articulated fingers and light up repulsors. You can move the fingers like this. Color combination is metallic red, gold, and silver colored painting. You can see the repulsors. This one lights up. Then, the pair of closed fists that are pre-installed in the figure. You can also see the paint and also the weathering effects on the fist. I really like how they sculpted it. This one doesn't light up. And lastly, a pair of battle hands with light up repulsors. You can attach this to the figure and pose it like this, as if he's shooting repulsors from his palms. So this one lights up. Pose it like this. Now we're done with the hands. Let's now go to Tony Stark's head sculpt. You can see the striking likeness of Robert Downey Jr. or Tony Stark in the Avengers Infinity War movie. For me, this is one of the best Tony Stark head sculpt because of its movie-accurate facial features with detailed beard, wrinkles, and skin texture. The color of the hair, the eyes, and square-shaped face are highly detailed. I really like how they sculpted it. It looks realistic. It comes with this neck collar connector that you're going to use and attach together with Tony Stark's head sculpt. So I'm going to show it to you later. Now, let's go to the weapons. Let's start with the interchangeable LED light up nano repulsor's cannon right arm. You can attach this by removing the right forearm. Color combination is the same with the hands, which is metallic gold, silver, and red colored painting. You can see the amazing mechanical details inside the cannon arm. Gun painting. I will show you how to attach this later. The next is the cannon left arm. It comes with the mechanical details and combination of paint, which is highly detailed. This one does not light up. You can just snap it on top of the left forearm of the figure, which I will show you later. And lastly, the interchangeable nano boosters. It has a bit of articulations. You can raise this up, but be careful because it has a sharp edge. This one also does not light up. You can also see the color combination in metallic red, silver, and gold painting. You can just peg it in at the back of the figure. Details are so accurate as seen in the movie, and for sure it looks good once you attach it at the back of the figure. We're done with all the accessories. Let's now take a closer look at the actual figure. So this is the actual figure. Standing in front, you can see the sleek and streamlined Iron Man armor design with the metallic red, gold, and silver colored painting all over the figure. The figure has 21 LED light up points throughout parts of the armor. Taking a closer look at the armor, you can see how sleek the design is. Same as other Iron Man, you can take out the chest piece and it will reveal the outstanding interior mechanical design of the figure. Now, let's go to the figure's articulation. You can move the head up and down, side to side. Then, you can raise the arms sideways up to this degree. And you will notice the shoulder pad goes up and down. Then, the elbow can double bend because it is butterfly jointed, and you can see how good the engineering is. The front bicep cover goes up and down when you move and bend the elbow. At the back, you can open the air flaps here, and it will also reveal the mechanical details of the figure. Here's where you can attach the nano booster, and this is where the battery compartment is for the chest LED light up function. For the upper torso, you can adjust this to extend the figure's body for more range of motion. You can crunch forward and backward, move side to side. For the leg, so you can pull this part so you can also extend it for a greater range of motion. For the knee, you can also double bend up to this degree. For the feet, you can move it forward and backward, and you will notice that the panel here moves up, so you can move the ankle for a more greater range of motion. So that's it for the figure's articulations. Now I'm going to show you how to attach the weapons. Let's start with the nano booster. As I showed you a while ago, you just need to remove this part, then attach the nano booster. So I'm going to attach it now. For the right nano repulsor cannon, we just need to remove the wool forearm and then attach this. Make sure to align the nano repulsor properly. You will hear a clicking sound. Then, for the left cannon arm, you just need to remove the hands first. So we can remove the cover. So we can peg in the cannon arm. So make sure to align it properly. Then reattach the closed fists. So that's it for Mark 50's weapons. So now you can see the weaponized Iron Man. Now I'll show you how to attach Tony Stark's head sculpt. You just need to remove Iron Man's helmeted head sculpt and this connector. After that, you just need to attach the neck collar connector. Then carefully attach Tony Stark's head sculpt. That's all for this unboxing and quick review. This is Hatoy's MMS 473-D23 Iron Man Mark 50 from the Avengers Infinity War movie. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.